So I'm out here at a job today in Woronora for a customer who has NBN FTTN, fibre to the node. Now I come here just before, now I'm on a little box here at the side of the house, and you can see here the conduit obviously goes up into the wall, and that cable's just feeding straight through into this little conduit box here. Now I have my alligator clips connected to the leading cable going back out to that box. Oh, it's just dropped off, so it's not connected now. I'll just reconnect that. Oh, another one just dropped off too. Hang on. So back in business. So you can see there, I'm connected to the leading cable that's popping out through the hole there in the brickwork. Now, this took a little while to connect, but it did connect, but then it stayed connected probably only for about 5-10 seconds, and then it dropped out. Now, they've had about 4, I think he said 6 technicians out here to just check this one, and they constantly keep saying that, now the first guy that came out, he said, oh look, it is a network issue, and they tried to fix it, but it didn't really work, it just kept dropping out. And then they've had another couple of techs come out, and they've basically tried to say the problem is an internal problem. Now, it did connect for, like I said, about 10 seconds, but then it dropped out again. And as you can see now, it's struggling to connect, so it's just been flashing here for probably about 5 minutes now. So I'm just going to see if this connects again, and if it does, I just want to get some video evidence that this is dropping out on the network side, because this has been going on for ages, and this guy is now working at home because of COVID-19, and they need their internet stable to work because he does video conferencing with overseas, someone overseas. So I'm just we're just going to see if this connects. I'll come back to you once it does. So it's still about another 5 minutes I've been waiting, and this is still not connecting. So this is 100% a network issue. So it did connect initially when I was here, but only for like about 5 seconds, and then it just dropped out again. So this one has to go back to the ISP. So it's definitely not internal cabling problems. This one's a network issue. So yeah, it's going to go back to you. NBN.